In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get rid of the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator quickly and easily. If you've ever opened Illustrator and suddenly seen a blue grid covering your artboard, don't worry, nothing is broken. You've just activated the perspective grid tool. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to turn it off in seconds, explain the shortcut, and help you avoid accidentally turning it on again. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Adobe Illustrator tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. If you're looking at your screen and you see a grid with vanishing points and angled lines across your artboard, that's the perspective grid. This tool is designed to help you draw objects in perspective, but if you're not using it intentionally, it can definitely get in the way. To hide the perspective grid, go up to the top menu and click on View. From the drop-down menu, hover over Perspective Grid. A side menu will appear. From there, click on Hide Grid. The moment you click that option, the grid will instantly disappear from your artboard. And that's it. That's the official way to turn it off. Now let me show you the much faster way, because honestly, this is what most professionals use. On your keyboard, press Ctrl plus Shift plus I if you're on Windows. If you're on a Mac, that would be Command plus Shift plus I. As soon as you press that shortcut, the perspective grid will toggle off. If you press it again, it will toggle back on. So this shortcut basically turns the grid on and off instantly. If your grid keeps appearing and you're not sure why, it's usually because this shortcut was pressed accidentally. Ctrl plus Shift plus I is fairly easy to hit by mistake, especially if you're using multiple keyboard shortcuts while designing. Another thing you might notice is a small cube icon on the top left of your artboard. That cube is the perspective grid widget. Even if the grid is hidden, when you activate the perspective tool, that widget can sometimes appear. If you ever want to fully avoid working in perspective mode, just make sure you're using the regular selection tool, which you can activate by pressing V on your keyboard. It's also important to understand that hiding the grid does not delete any artwork. It simply removes the visual guide from your workspace, so you don't have to worry about losing anything. Your designs remain completely safe. Now, just to quickly recap, go to View, then Perspective Grid, then click Hide Grid, or use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus I on Windows or Command plus Shift plus I on Mac. That's the fastest and easiest way to remove the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator. If this video saved you time or frustration, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. I post simple, straight-to-the-point Illustrator guides that help you fix common issues fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.